Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. So guys, today I want to repair this hair straightener, and this is a dead hair straightener, and this is the series bulb, and it is not showing any sign of continuity according to this hair straightener. So I want to fix or open it, and let me see that what's the issue or problem in this hair straightener. So keep in touch with me, and I will open these screws first of all, and then pause the video for save your time. So guys, I have opened these a couple of screws from here and here, and let me open it. And how to open, you can see from here. This is the way how to open it. So now I want to check first of all the wire, the cord of this hair straightener. So let me pause it, and I'll check it and reconnect with you. So guys, I have found the problem or the issue with this hair straightener. You can see this is the resistance which is heat up, but according to the meter it is working properly. As you can see, this resistance is working as a fuse, and when it was heat up, its one leg was disconnected from here. I hope you can see it. Let me zoom it to show you the. So guys, the power cable of this hair straightener is okay. So guys, I have found the problem in this hair straightener, and you can see this is the resistance which is working as a fuse in this hair straightener, and when it was heat up, and as you can see, the color of this resistance is a bit dark, and you cannot account the color code or read the color code of this resistance, but according to the meter, as I have shown you, it is working properly. And when it was heat up, this leg of this resistance was disconnected from this terminal. So that's why this hair straightener was not working, and I have resoled it, and it is now working properly. But I don't know the reason why it was heat up, and let me turn it on for a while or for a long period of time to know what is the reason why this resistance was heat up. So let me pause it again, and see you again later. So I have reconnected with this terminal, and it is working now. Now I want to show you the series bulb I have. I hope you can see it, and I will plug it again. And in the beginning it was not showing any continuity or any indication. Now you will see. Let me turn it on the power. Now you can see this is the main reason. So for the time being it is cool enough, it is not heat up, but let me show this blinking. Now it is on full hot position, and let me plug it with the direct volts to see whether this resistance is working properly, or it is again gonna heat up or blow. The hair straightener is now heat up, but let me touch it whether is it heat up or not. It is working properly. There is no issue regarding heat up of this resistance, and it would be possible that if the volts come high, so that's why this resistance was heat up. For the time being, this straightener is working properly. You can see the digits, and it is hot enough. You can touch it, but cannot touch it for the long period. So that's the main reason. And if you can resolve this resistance, you can repair your hair straightener. So that's all from my video, and let me cover it again. And like and subscribe my channel if you have any sort of question. So please comment me. I will try my level best to reply to you as soon as possible. So bye bye for now.